It was sunny yesterday, but today was also very sunny. In the morning, the sky was completely clear. A transparent blue ceiling stretching far above. The overcast sky reminded me a bit of underground, but this blue ceiling stretching far into the distance was entirely different from the enclosed space below. From the shadows, I could get a good look at it. The colors seemed to change slightly from the horizon to the top, shifting gradually from pale blue to deeper shades. Perhaps because I'm trying to look at things positively, or maybe because I'm getting used to it here. I felt a certain sense of exhilaration in the vast, unreachable sky and open space. When I first arrived, I felt a strange sense of anxiety, almost unease, at the sky being so much higher than the ceiling on the ground. But today's clear sky didn't have the same effect. Moving clouds might make me feel differently, but for now, I just felt a bit of relief somehow. Stepping into the sunlight, though, the sun's rays felt painful, and even with eye drops that I brought from the future, it seemed to scorch my eyes. It felt so heavy, like I could be crushed if I stayed out in it for long, or actually, even just a few minutes seemed too much. I hurried out of the sun and made my way to the usual convenience store where I decided to try something new. Yogurt and an onigiri. I knew yogurt was related to milk, which I didn't handle well last time, but I'm at the point now where I feel like trying anything. The result, well, maybe this type of food just isn't for me. But the taste was different from milk. Much better, actually. But this sourness was something I've never experienced before and felt a bit strange. It was sour and sweet, but not overwhelmingly sweet like the grape. So, compared to other things I have struggled to finish here, it wasn't so bad. I feel like I've talked about the grape so many times now. Maybe it left a bit of a scar on me. There were various kinds of onigiri, so I picked the salted one because it looked similar to the white rice I had before. I also chose the black one, the one with nori and okaka filling. I wasn't sure what okaka was, or any of the ingredients for that matter, so I just took what was in front of me. The salted onigiri wasn't bad, still a bit salty for my taste. But maybe I've developed some tolerance after yesterday's ramen. I'm not sure, but it wasn't overwhelmingly salty to the point of being inedible, even though it's probably seasoned for people here. The okaka one was actually quite enjoyable, although the nori stuck to my mouth and the taste was unfamiliar. For a local food, the flavor was rather subtle with a faint, unique tang, which was a little unappealing. Eating the rice and okaka together overly strong, and I found it fairly tasty. But eating just the okaka in the center tasted a bit intense. Neither the nori, the okaka, nor the rice has a texture I'm used to on the ground, so it's interesting. Yes, it's better to think of things as interesting. It makes everything feel that way. Oh, and I've been drinking water from the shared bathroom sink lately. It doesn't seem to be causing any issues. But after today's meal, my stomach felt a bit unsettled.